A visit to Downriver Smiles is totally comfortable. It's like walking into a friend's house. You can make your own coffee, you can watch TV. They'll bring you whatever you need to make you feel comfortable.
We come into the door, Downriver Smiles, and we are welcomed right in. Get to sit in a cozy waiting room, and then each of us comes back one at a time or two at a time, and we just are treated like we're known and cared for.
My favorite thing about working at Downriver, I would say, is working with the patients and making them comfortable. We really try to cater to their needs and make it a good experience for them.
I enjoy the friendliness and the comfort. Everybody's so honest and lighthearted, and there's never been a grouchy day.
Dr. Gaunt is my favorite dentist that I've ever had. He's so friendly, he's kind, we always joke together. He makes serious dental issues feel less anxious. I love seeing Dr. Gaunt because I feel like I'm seeing a friend, not just a healthcare provider.
Meeting so many wonderful people that just, I don't know, they inspire me, my patients, with the things they're doing and their stories and their families, and getting to meet with them on a regular basis.
I love Dr. Gaunt because he's so great for every member of our family. He treats the kids respectfully, but also at their level.
I think kids are, I don't know, one of my favorite things about life. Just everything about a child. Their joy, their enthusiasm, their innocence. It brings out the child in me. So when I see kids, I just go down to their level, and I try and have fun, and I say goofy things, and I try and make them laugh, and try and get to know them. And anytime I leave a patient visit with a child, it usually is really rewarding for me.
Our mission is to create a family-friendly environment. I feel since we are in this community, it's very family vibes. We're trying to make it an individual treatment for each of our patients, and it's our mission to give them the best care that they can find in this area.
So what made me choose Downriver Smiles as my dentist is I live in this neighborhood. As my wife and I were walking around the neighborhood, we thought, how awesome would it be to go to a dental office that's one of our neighbors? And so we just stepped in, and they were so friendly, so accommodating. They got us in quickly, and that's ultimately why we chose them. We chose them for proximity, we chose them for the neighborhood feel. We wanted to support a business that was in our own neighborhood.
Our practice is going to be very conscious of our patients' needs. I find that we often are giving them pillows or blankets. We're in tune to what they are portraying, so we can accommodate them in what they need best and how we can help them.
We all offer pretty much all general dentistry procedures, from root canals, implants, crowns, veneers, Invisalign, of course fillings, dentures, partials, teeth whitening. Almost all things that people need on a usual basis, we provide. Anytime I have an appointment, the very number one thing I'm listening for is, why are you here today and what's your primary concern? Because I can do anything else, but if I didn't, if I didn't address your chief concern, then you're not going to be happy, and I'm not going to be happy because I want what's best for the patient.
I can't even tell my kids when we have a dentist appointment scheduled. The kids ask me all day long, when are we going to the dentist? When are we going to the dentist? Because it's their favorite visit of the whole year. It's just such a great experience coming, and they're very proud of themselves not having cavities and brushing well, and they get their little goodie bags, and it's just so fun. So a unique thing about Downriver Smiles is that they have this great playroom for the kids, and they can all hang out in here while I'm getting my dental work done.
The staff at Downriver Smiles is friendly, they're kind, they really understand the insurance, and that's always been important.
How we accommodate patients' financial concerns is we have a breakdown that we can print out, what the insurance pays, what their out-of-pocket's going to be, and we do offer care credit, and we do have a cash discount if they pay with cash, and we just try to make them feel comfortable and go over it all with them.
The way Dr. Gaunt is different in his office is that I haven't been pressured to do any dentistry that I don't need. He helped me sort through what's realistic, what I need to have done, what's beneficial for me, and he's never pushed me to do anything that I didn't need. I think Dr. Gaunt is the best dentist I've ever been to. I am excited to come here every time because the office is warm and friendly, because Dr. Gaunt is so good.
It's really rewarding when patients see how much I care and that they put their trust in me and that they know I've got their best interest in mind. Because that's really what my goal is their best interest. And when people know that and feel that and trust that, it just is really rewarding for me.